Discover the latest tools that every developer needs in their toolkit. In this video, we dive into the top dev tools that will revolutionize the way you work. Whether you're optimizing cloud environments, boosting productivity, or building your next game, these tools have got you covered. Let's explore the cutting-edge solutions that are shaping the future of development. Project number 1, LocalStack, your local AWS cloud environment. Developing and testing cloud applications can be time-consuming and expensive when you're constantly working in the live cloud environment. That's where LocalStack steps in, giving developers the power of AWS right on their local machine without needing an active AWS account. LocalStack allows you to simulate a wide range of AWS services, including compute resources like EC2 and Lambda, storage solutions like S3 and DynamoDB, and even database, messaging, and monitoring services. Whether you're building serverless applications or managing data with AWS services, LocalStack provides an environment where you can develop and test locally. No need to worry about costs or connection issues. Everything happens offline. One of the major strengths of LocalStack is its compatibility with official AWS SDKs and APIs. This means you can develop applications locally and be confident they'll work seamlessly when deployed to the actual cloud. And it's highly customizable too. You can adjust configurations, number of instances, or database settings to replicate your cloud setup as closely as possible. Why should developers consider LocalStack? First and foremost, it saves costs. No AWS fees for development or testing. It also saves time, offering the speed of local development without delays caused by cloud provisioning or network latency. Plus, it's great for those working in low internet environments where online cloud access may not always be reliable. With LocalStack, you can also ensure consistency across development environments, reducing the risk of unexpected cloud-based issues when you go live. LocalStack's open source nature means it's constantly evolving with contributions from a thriving developer community. By using this tool, you can simplify your cloud development process, cut costs, and speed up testing cycles, making LocalStack an essential tool for developers working with AWS services. Project number 2, Super Productivity, your ultimate task management tool. Keeping track of tasks and managing your time effectively can be a challenge, especially when juggling multiple projects. Super Productivity steps in to help you not just organize your tasks, but also track your time and optimize your workflow in ways you may not have thought possible. Super Productivity is more than just a to-do list app. It incorporates time tracking and time boxing features, giving you the tools you need to manage your tasks with precision. Whether you're working on a development project, managing client tasks, or simply trying to stay on top of daily goals, this tool helps you allocate time effectively. The time boxing feature ensures you focus on one task at a time, minimizing distractions and maximizing productivity. What sets Super Productivity apart is its integration with popular project management platforms like Jira, GitLab, GitHub, and OpenProject. You can sync your tasks, track progress across these platforms, and get a clear picture of your entire workload, all in one place. This seamless integration makes it a must-have for developers and teams who work with these systems daily. Customization is another standout feature. You can tailor the app to your needs by adjusting settings, creating custom themes, and configuring layouts. The app also provides detailed productivity metrics, helping you track how much time you spend on different tasks and where you might need to make adjustments to improve efficiency. Super Productivity's open source nature means it is continuously improving, with contributions from developers worldwide. Whether you're a solo developer looking for a way to streamline your workflow or part of a larger team needing better time management, Super Productivity offers the tools you need to boost efficiency and hit your goals more effectively. Project number 3, Minute, your personal time tracker. Managing time efficiently is key to productivity, but how often do we lose track of where our time goes throughout the day? Minute steps in as a powerful yet simple time tracking tool that helps you reclaim your day by offering deep insights into how you spend your time. Minute is designed with an intuitive interface that makes it easy to start tracking your time right away. Whether you're working on development projects, administrative tasks, or just trying to understand how you manage your daily activities, Minute helps you break it all down with precision. It allows you to create different projects, set tasks, and then track time against each one, offering a clear picture of where your hours are going. Customization is one of the standout features of Minute. You can set up projects, assign tags, and even set specific goals to track your progress. The tool provides detailed visualizations of your time usage, helping you spot inefficiencies and time-wasting activities. Whether you're looking at a daily overview or analyzing long-term trends, Minute's visual reports make it easy to understand how you're managing your time. One of the best aspects of Minute is its flexibility. You can export your tracked data in formats like CSV or JSON, making it easy to analyze further or integrate with other tools. Plus, as an open-source project, Minute gives you full control over its functionality, allowing you to tweak and modify it to fit your specific needs. Why should you use Minute? If you're serious about improving your productivity, tracking your time is essential. Minute helps you gain self-awareness about your habits, identify bottlenecks in your workflow, and find areas where you can be more efficient. It's more than just a time tracker. It's a tool to help you optimize how you work and achieve your goals. Whether you're working solo or need insights into team productivity, Minute is a valuable addition to any developer's toolkit. Project number 4, GDevelop, your game creation playground. What if you could build the game of your dreams without needing to write a single line of code? GDevelop makes this possible by providing a powerful open-source game engine that simplifies game development for everyone, from beginners to seasoned developers. GDevelop is all about accessibility. It allows you to create 2D and 3D games using a visual programming interface. Instead of writing complex code, you can drag and drop objects and use pre-built events to dictate how your game functions. Whether you're building a simple platformer, an action-packed shooter, or even a multiplayer experience, GDevelop has you covered. One of GDevelop's biggest strengths is its cross-platform compatibility. You can create a game in GDevelop and export it to Windows, macOS Linux, Android, iOS, or even HTML5, making it playable directly in web browsers. This ensures that your game can reach a wide audience, no matter what platform they use. GDevelop also comes packed with built-in assets like sprites, sound effects, and backgrounds, helping you kickstart your project without needing external resources. The community around GDevelop is another invaluable resource. With a large and active group of developers, you can easily find tutorials, get support, or even contribute to the engine's development as it's open source. What makes GDevelop stand out is its ability to cater to both beginners and advanced developers alike. For those just starting, the visual programming and easy-to-use interface provide a smooth learning curve. On the other hand, experienced developers can take advantage of the flexibility to add custom extensions or integrate external code to enhance their games even further. Whether you're looking to make your first game or you're an experienced developer seeking a more intuitive way to create, GDevelop opens up a world of possibilities. By removing the barrier of complex coding, it allows you to focus on what really matters, bringing your creative vision to life. Project number 5, FortuneSheet, your JavaScript spreadsheet solution. Need the power of a full-fledged spreadsheet, but in your web application? FortuneSheet is here to bring Excel-like functionality directly into your browser. Whether you're building complex data-driven tools or need simple grid functionality, FortuneSheet has the features to make it happen. FortuneSheet is a robust JavaScript library designed to give you the capabilities of a spreadsheet right in your web applications. From managing data in tables to performing complex calculations, it offers an easy-to-integrate, customizable solution for developers. One of its standout features is the support for a wide array of formulas, making it a perfect fit for applications that require dynamic data analysis or reporting. Customization is key with FortuneSheet. You can tailor the spreadsheet's layout and behavior to match your specific needs. Want certain cells to be read-only? Need conditional formatting to highlight important values? FortuneSheet has all the flexibility you need, letting you tweak every aspect of your grid to suit your project. You can also implement data validation, ensuring that your users input the correct types of data in each field. FortuneSheet doesn't stop there. It offers collaboration features, allowing multiple users to work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously, making it ideal for team-based projects. And with built-in performance optimization, you can rest assured that even large data sets won't slow your web app down. Performance isn't compromised either. FortuneSheet is optimized for speed, ensuring that your application remains responsive even with large data sets. Whether you're managing hundreds or thousands of rows of data, it provides the responsiveness necessary for modern web applications. Why choose FortuneSheet? It's the go-to tool for developers who need advanced spreadsheet functionality without the overhead of integrating third-party services. It's lightweight, open source, and highly adaptable to whatever your project demands. Whether you're building financial dashboards, project management tools, or anything in between, FortuneSheet brings the power of spreadsheets to the web with ease. Project number 6, AWS-CLI, your command line interface to AWS. Tired of switching between the AWS Web Console for every task? With AWS-CLI, you can streamline your cloud management with a few simple commands right from your terminal. This tool is designed to make managing AWS services faster, more efficient, and entirely scriptable. The AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, is a unified tool that lets you interact with all AWS services using commands in your terminal or command prompt. Whether you're spinning up EC2 instances, managing S3 storage, or configuring Lambda functions, AWS CLI lets you handle everything with simple commands. No need to dive into the AWS Management Console. It's perfect for developers, system administrators, and anyone looking to automate tasks on AWS. One of the key features of AWS CLI is its comprehensive support for nearly every AWS service. From managing databases to deploying applications in real time, you can execute hundreds of commands covering the entire AWS ecosystem. This makes AWS CLI a versatile tool, helping you with everything from daily operations to large-scale cloud deployment. Customization is a big part of the AWS CLI experience. You can create configuration profiles for different AWS environments, such as development, staging, or production, allowing you to switch between them effortlessly. Additionally, AWS CLI is cross-platform, so whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, you can use it in any environment. Automation is where AWS CLI truly shines. You can write scripts that automate repetitive tasks, like starting instances, backing up databases, or even deploying infrastructure as code. This makes it a vital tool for DevOps professionals and teams looking to streamline their workflows. Plus, AWS CLI integrates smoothly into CI/CD pipelines, letting you automate deployment tasks as part of your development process. Why use AWS CLI? It's an essential tool for anyone working in the AWS cloud. With the ability to automate, customize, and streamline cloud operations, AWS CLI reduces time spent on manual tasks and boosts productivity, allowing you to focus on what matters most: building and managing your applications. Project number 7, Svix, your reliable webhook service. Handling real-time data and event-driven architecture can be a nightmare without the right tools. That's where Svix comes in. This robust webhook service ensures your applications stay updated, delivering notifications and event data reliably and securely. Svix is designed to provide a seamless, reliable webhook service that scales effortlessly with your needs. Whether you're sending notifications, managing event-driven workflows, or keeping multiple services in sync, Svix ensures that your webhooks are delivered promptly and consistently, without the hassle of building and maintaining your own system. One of Svix's standout features is its reliability. Webhook deliveries can often fail due to network issues or recipient downtimes, but Svix handles retries and ensures your events are delivered. With built-in retry policies, you don't have to worry about losing crucial data or updates if the first attempt fails. Svix monitors and retries automatically, keeping your workflow smooth. Scalability is another key strength of Svix. It's built to handle large volumes of webhooks, making it suitable for applications with high traffic and complex workflows. Whether you're handling hundreds or millions of webhooks, Svix can scale effortlessly to meet your needs. Security is a top priority with Svix, ensuring that your webhook data is protected from unauthorized access. Svix implements signature verification to authenticate webhook payloads, safeguarding against malicious actors. Additionally, all data in transit is encrypted, giving you peace of mind when dealing with sensitive information. Customizability is built into the core of Svix. You can configure your webhook delivery settings, set up custom retry policies, and define webhook endpoints for various events. It also offers extensive monitoring and analytics, allowing you to track the performance of your webhooks, review delivery statuses, and troubleshoot any issues in real time. Why use Svix? It removes the complexity of managing webhook deliveries, providing you with a scalable, secure, and highly customizable solution. With Svix handling your webhooks, you can focus on building your application without worrying about missed notifications or complex integrations. It's a powerful tool for modern event-driven applications. That's a wrap for today's dive into the latest developer tools. Stay tuned for more updates on the best tools and open source projects to level up your workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.